The for each loop. The PHP for each loop is used to iterate over arrays. Simple as that. Let's see this in action. So the first thing we do is we create our PHP tag. Now let's just create a simple array. So let's call this array colors. Don't worry, you're going to learn how to create arrays in subsequent videos, but this is just an example. So the first color we want here should be red. We can have yellow, can have green, can have pink, and let's stop at blue. So I've created an array of colors that has 5 colors inside of it. Now, for us to be able to get all the values of this array, we can use the for each loop. So we say for each. So this is the syntax, for each, okay? Almost like the for loop. So inside of the bracket, this is where we dissect the array. So we can do something like for each. So let's say color. So we assign it to a new variable, color, okay? So colors, and we can say as value, or you can use color, but let me use value. You can use any variable here. So whatever you use here is what we represent each of the values of this array. So now that we have that, I can now say something like echo. Then we can say value is a type of color, which is true, by the way. Okay, so let's save that and let's run this for each loop. So let's put a break tag here to make it very visible on each line. So let's reload. And as you can see, the array has been broken apart and it says red is a type of color, so value is a type of color, yellow is a type of color, green is a type of color, pink is a type of color, blue is a type of color. Now, there's another kind of array that you may want to break apart. So let's create, let me do this below. So I will comment everything here. So I'll come down. Let's create another array called age. So we have array. So we want to have some people with their different age, okay? So the first person here should be Alex. Yes, Alex. And let's assume Alex is 30 years old. This is how to create this is a multi-dimensional array, or array that has a key value pair. Okay? This is an array that has a key value pair. You will learn about it in the next video or subsequent videos after this one. So let's add someone else. Let's call this person, let me use myself, Precious. So I'm going to use 100. We can add someone else. We can say Kim. Kim is 24. Let's add a fourth person. This should be Wale. And Wale is 49. Okay. So we can drop all this into a new line so that it is visible. So I'm just going to put them underneath themselves. Okay, so you can see. So you see it's an array, key value pair. This is the key, this is the value, key and value, key and value, key and value. Now, we can use a for each to go through this, and how? Like this. So let's create our for each syntax. Then inside, we would say age as, then we have key, okay, to value. Simple as that. Then what do we want to print out? Let's do an echo that says, so the first one is the key is value years old. You get the idea, right? So age is the array that we want to open. Then we want to get the key, which is the name, and the value, which is the value. So it will go in there and say echo Alex is 30 years old. Let's see this in the browser. And as you can see, Alex is 30 years old. Alex is 30. Precious is 100 years old. As you can see, Precious 100. Kim is 24 years old. Kim 24. And Wale is 49 years old. Okay? So guys, this is it on for each loop that is used to loop over arrays in PHP. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.